A hammer is made to swing with the same angular acceleration about point A, B, and C. Points A, B, and C are shown. When the point A, here's point B, and here's point C. Same angular acceleration. So if they are the same angular acceleration, so you know the equation is tau equals I alpha, right? Tau equals I alpha. So this is similar. So where you have to have a higher I will be giving a higher torque. Right, I. So what is I? I depends on the mass distribution. I depends on mass as well as mass distribution. When the mass distribution is away, I is greater. When the mass is greater, I is greater. But here, the mass is constant. So it's about mass distribution. So in which the mass distribution is higher, it has a higher I. And you know, in this hammer, this part is the most weighing part. This is the most weighing part. It's a metal piece, so it's the most weighing part. So when you hold it from the most weighing part and then you try to rotate it, you get the highest, you get the lowest side. Highest mass is with the metal part. So when the metal part is further away, the moment of inertia is greatest. So when the moment of inertia is high, the torque is higher. Right? This is the purpose of a mass, the hammer. Hammer එක හදලා තියෙන්නේ මේක නිසා. Right? The hammer is made in a way. Now, if you take a hammer, the whole hammer is not metal. Right? Hammer head is only metal, and the hammer head is the one which is heaviest. මේ විදිහට හදලා තියෙන්නේ ඒකයි. Right? Because you have to have a higher torque to wheel it. Right? To swing it, you will have to give a higher torque, and it gives a higher force when you hit it with when you hit with a hammer. Right? It gives a higher force on the nail. You can say මේ මාස් එක ඈතට දාලා තියෙන්නේ. Right? Okay. So if you are cricket fans, guys, you know that the cricket bat, you know the cricket bat's part where you hold it, that has a smaller mass. But the part where you hit the bat with, the lower part of the bat has a higher mass. So when you hit a ball with this part, then what? Then it's going to get a higher force, because in order to swing the bat also, you have to give a higher torque, right? So that is a technique. Say if you want to hit someone with a rod or something with a stick, you are going to make the stick like this. You're going to make the stick like this if you want to hit someone with a stick. Why? Because you're going to hold the stick from here. Right? You're going to hold the stick from here. Like this is how you're going to hold the stick. Right? When this side has a higher mass, the moment of inertia is higher, so you have to give a higher torque. So the higher torque will be resulting in a higher weight. So the force that you want to apply, say you are going to hit someone on his head, right? Don't do this now, do it but when you want to do that, what is going to happen? So the force is applied to stop it. Is going to be very huge. It's going to be huge. Right? So when the moment of inertia is higher, the torque is higher, so the force that you need to apply to stop it is higher. Right? So that is the whole purpose of making a hammer like this. So toe A is the highest, then toe B, then toe C. Toe A is the highest, then toe B, then toe C. Answer 1.